Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use video shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder. And also explain about different helpful settings and different video types you can add in your page content using video shortcode. Video shortcode is very useful tool to display YouTube, Vimeo or HTML5 local hosted videos in your page content. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on video shortcode. You can see video shortcode settings and pop up here. You can see there are three types of video: Vimeo, YouTube, and HTML5 local hosted video. So let me select Vimeo video type here. Here you can add your Vimeo URL as per this format. Let me enter Vimeo URL for example. Under Style tab, by default your video will be fully responsive. In case if you want your desired size, then you can switch off it. Here you can enter video width and height. Go to Extra tab. In case if you want to customize the shortcode deeply, then you can insert unique element ID for video element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and let's check preview. You can see Vimeo video is visible here. Go back to General tab and let me select YouTube as video type. Here you can add your YouTube embed URL as per this format. Let me enter YouTube embed URL for example. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see YouTube video is visible here. Let me add two columns and replicate video and move it to second column. Let me set HTML5 local hosted video in second column. For HTML5 video, you need to enter full video URL for MP4 or OGG or web. Let me enter MP4 video URL for example. You can also switch on off options like autoplay, mute, loop and controls as per your need. Save changes and let's check preview. Here you can see your YouTube video and here HTML5 video. You can also manage parameters of YouTube and Vimeo URL using this article. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.